chocolate cookie brownies. Let's get started. First, we need to mix butter with the chocolate until it's stirred evenly. Stir it all together.
You have to stir it all together, then we add these 5 things in.
That's the chocolate outside. For the wet ingredients, we need eggs, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Chocolate.
Actually, it looks like honey. Mix the honey. Mix it all together.
Set your flour in the sifting basket, but with your baking powder. Now we're going to be using an ice cream scooper to put our dough out onto the baking sheet. Get the brown and quickly flip it and then Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. Look how flaky and crispy these cookies are.
It's time to try.